Thanks for taking me to this amazing, beautiful fairy tale canyon here in Isikul, Kyrgyzstan. Wow, I can't express the beauty of this place in words. It's amazing. You have a beautiful Isikul lake over there. It's like a sea, very big sea. And then there is mountains, granite, snow-capped mountains, Alps. And then look at the very beautiful canyon. I think one of the most beautiful canyon I have ever seen in my life. Maybe there might be beautiful, but this is the most beautiful canyon I have seen here. Wow. Look at the red sandy mountains. The weather is perfect. And there you can see the candy shades. It's like a rainbow colors. Candy shade mountains over there. Wow, I'm loving it. I think so far this might be the #1 spot in Kyrgyzstan. Yeah, possibly. You have Isikul Lake, you have snow-capped mountains of Kyrgyzstan, and then this beautiful canyon, all in one place.